Alright guys, so you just connect the positive to the positive and negative to the negative. So red positive, black negative. So we're going to go ahead and plug this in here once we have it connected. Alright, so once we have it connected, it shows green on the side here. Press the power button and now it's ready to start. So let's go start it up. Alright, so it should start right up. There we go. It's that simple, my friends. And now if your battery is dead anywhere, you can just connect it. Also charge your cell phone and stuff like that. Or help somebody else out if you're out in public and someone's battery is dead. Hello my friends and welcome back. Today we are showing you guys a power bank jump starter. It's a 10,400 mAh. Also has safety protection T11F. That is the model. So it's good for vehicles, motorcycles, yachts, watercraft, four-wheelers, mowers, and all sorts for jumping. So this, oh, that's actually really cool. So you got the button indicator light on here. Press and hold for a flashlight. Press it again, it flashes. Another flashing mode. Solid mode. Press and hold it to turn it off. You have two USB charging ports, so you can plug anything in here with the USB. And of course it's got a nice indicator light on here as well, so it lets you know. Overall it's actually really stylish. So for your engine, pop this open and you will plug in the alligator clamps. We'll show you that in a minute. And for charging this, Type-C cable charges that. Alright, so let's go ahead and show you guys. So for charging this, you just plug this in, Type-C. Plug this in to a USB port, or or another power bank, or whatever you want. For your vehicle, you plug this into right here. So once you have that plugged in, it's going to be a blue light on there. Make sure you don't touch the connection, both black and red connection at the same time. So do you see that